Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice price movement the past few weeks, and now that the price has kind of settled down a little bit, there's definitely a key area of resistance where the sellers are without question hanging out. So we'll map out some levels of resistance, but let's first start by talking about some areas of support. The one level that really stands out as more so kind of an overall area of support is down here at the 0029 mark, and then also down here at 0026. So 0029, 0026, maybe you just prefer to call that a support zone, but you can see looking back there here through the history of the chart, 0029 multiple times there, bears try to press through and then try to press through one more time, but the bulls did a great job. Then the price eventually got up there, and you can see once again bears try to press through but failed, and then failed again. So 0029, 0028, definitely those two near term levels of support. And ideally, if the price can stay up above the purple line, which so far so good, you can see it bounced off it directly right there in the afternoon trading. That would be the best case scenario. Now, if the price does fall below that purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average, it's not like the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But that would just make everything look as healthy as possible. But again, as you see, if the price doesn't hold above the purple line, there are other areas of support below it, so it's not like it's the end of the world or anything like that. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, like I started off the video talking about, this level is pretty cut and dry as the sellers have really made themselves known. And I'm sure some of you probably know exactly where I'm going with this, especially if you've been watching level 2s. But that's right up here at 004. I'm not going to count the number of times, but again, if you've been watching level 2s or even if you haven't, then you can see, looking at the chart here, several times there, bulls try to press up through it, couldn't get it done, and then again right there, today's price action, try to get up through that level, and once again couldn't quite get it done. So I'm not saying that 004 is impossible to break through and that the price will never be above it. I'm just saying that it makes sense why the price did struggle around there today, and apparently according to the story of the chart, the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game if they're going to be able to fight through that level. So all in all though, good solid overall chart, and as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, that's the name of the game. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.